The AI gold rush. Right now, there are two types of people: those wasting time on TikTok and those using free AI tools to build $10,000 per month side hustles. By 2025, AI will be the ultimate wealth gap. And today, I'm handing you the cheat codes. These aren't just tools, they're your unfair advantage. Think AI is just for nerds? The guy who made this thumbnail? AI. The script? AI. The latte I'm drinking? Okay, that's real, but you get the point. Act 1. Productivity and knowledge tools. 1. Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is an AI-powered search engine and conversational assistant that provides precise, sourced answers to user queries. It combines the capabilities of large language models, LLMs, with real-time web search to deliver accurate, up-to-date information. Key features of Perplexity AI. 1. AI-powered search uses advanced NLP to understand queries and return concise, well-researched answers. 2. Web search integration pulls from live web data when enabled to provide current information. 3. Source citations includes references, websites, research papers, etc. for transparency. 4. Conversational interface allows follow-up questions for deeper exploration. 5.Pro version, Perplexity Pro, offers access to more powerful models like GPT-4, Claude 3, and Mistral Large, along with increased usage limits. 6. File upload support. Users can upload PDFs, Word docs, etc. for AI-assisted analysis. Availability: 1. Web app, perplexity.ai. 2. Mobile apps, iOS and Android. 3. Pro subscription, approximately $20 per month for advanced features. 2. Notion AI. Notion AI is an integrated AI assistant within Notion, the popular all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, wikis, and databases. It enhances productivity by helping users generate, edit, and organize content directly in their Notion workspace. Key features of Notion AI. 1. AI-powered writing assistance drafts emails, blog posts, meeting notes, and more. Improves grammar, tone, and clarity, summarizes long text concisely. 2. Content generation and brainstorming creates lists, outlines, and templates, helps with brainstorming ideas, e.g. what marketing strategies, project plans. 3. Task automation generates action items from meeting notes, extracts key insights from research documents. 4. Database and table support automatically fills in properties, e.g. tags, summaries, helps analyze data in Notion databases. 5. Translation and language support translates text between languages, adjusts writing style, formal, casual, persuasive. Who should use Notion AI? 1. Teams for collaborative docs, wikis, and project tracking. 2. Writers drafting and editing content efficiently. 3. Students summarizing lectures, organizing study notes. 4. Product managers automating workflows and task management. Act 2. Money-making tools. 1. Claude 3, Opus. Claude 3. Opus is the most advanced AI model in Anthropic's Claude 3 family, which also includes Sonnet and Haiku. It's designed for highly complex reasoning, expert-level analysis, and nuanced conversational abilities. Top-tier reasoning and problem-solving excels at advanced math, coding, and logical puzzles. Stronger than GPT-4, Turbo, and some benchmarks, e.g. GPQA MMLU. Long context and memory, 200K tokens. Processes 150K plus words in one go, ideal for legal docs, research papers, code bases. Maintains coherence over long conversations. Nuanced and human-like responses, better at understanding humor, sarcasm, and subtlety. Less likely to refuse harmless requests versus earlier Claude models. Multimodal, image and text understanding, can analyze charts, graphs, and low-resolution images, but not full vision like GPT-4v. Balanced and safe AI Anthropic focuses on constitutional AI, reducing harmful outputs. How to access Claude 3 Opus. 1. Free tier, limited, available on Claude.ai with some restrictions. 2. Pro plan, $20 per month. Priority access, higher message limits. 3. API access for developers, pricing approximately $15 per million input tokens, use cases and who should use it, researchers and analysts summarizing papers, extracting insights, developers debugging, explaining complex code, business strategists, market analysis, SWOT breakdowns, writers, long-form content with deep reasoning. 3. AutoGPT, the autonomous AI agent. AutoGPT is an experimental open source project that enables GPT-4/GPT 3.5 to act autonomously, breaking down complex tasks into subtasks, iterating on them, and even self-prompting to achieve goals without constant human input. Key features checkmark, autonomous task execution. Given a high-level goal, e.g. build a market research report on electric vehicles, AutoGPT self-generates prompts, plans steps, and executes them. Internet access, web browsing, can search the web, read articles, and gather real-time data. Memory and context management uses vector databases, e.g. Pinecone, to store and recall information across sessions. File, read, write capabilities can save outputs to .txt, .pdf, and other formats. Use cases, automated research, competitor analysis, market trends, content generation, blog posts, reports, coding assistance, debugging, writing scripts, business automation, email drafting, data scraping. Limitations, costly, can burn through API credits quickly if unchecked. Unpredictable, may get stuck in loops or go off track. No guaranteed accuracy, still needs human verification. Should you use AutoGPT? Yes, if you need automation for complex workflows and have coding skills. No, if you want a simple, ready-to-use AI chatbot. Act 3, financial edge tools. TradingView AI, enhancing trading with artificial intelligence. TradingView is a popular platform for traders and investors, offering advanced charting tools, technical analysis, and social trading features. While TradingView does not have a standalone AI product, it integrates AI-powered features to improve trading efficiency, pattern recognition, and market analysis. AI and machine learning features in TradingView. 1. AI-powered pattern recognition auto chart. Pattern detection identifies classic patterns, head and shoulders, triangles, flags, automatically, highlights potential breakouts or reversals. Candlestick pattern recognition detects bullish/bearish candlestick formations, e.g. doja, hammer, engulfing. 2nd, smart alerts and predictive signals. AI-generated alerts uses machine learning to suggest key support resistance levels, predictive price forecasts, experimental. Some custom scripts use AI models like TensorFlow for price predictions. 3. PineScript AI enhancements. Traders can integrate AI ML models, LSTMs, neural networks, into PineScript for custom indicators. Example, AI-based moving average crossover strategies. 4th, sentiment analysis via social and news. Aggregates data from TradingView chats, Twitter, and news for crowd sentiment. Some third-party scripts use NLP to gauge market mood. 5th, trade idea automation, AI bots. TradingView plus third-party bots, e.g. via APIs to brokers like Alpaca, interactive brokers. AI-driven bots can execute trades based on TradingView signals. How to access AI features. 1. Free users, limited pattern recognition, and basic alerts. 2. .pro/premium plans. 14.95 to 14.95 to 59.95 per month. Full access to advanced AI tools. 3. Custom Pine scripts, requires coding knowledge, Python/PineScript. 2nd, Danilfin, AI-powered stock analytics and portfolio optimization. Danilfin is an AI-driven investment platform that helps traders and investors make data-backed decisions by analyzing stocks using artificial intelligence. It provides AI-generated stock scores, predictive analytics, and portfolio optimization tools to maximize returns. Key features of Danilfin. 1. AI stock scoring, ELF score, rates stocks from 0 to 10 based on 200 plus factors, fundamentals, technicals, sentiment, combines machine learning and big data to predict outperformance. 2. Predictive analytics forecasts 6-month price potential with AI accuracy metrics, identifies high probability breakout stocks. 3. Portfolio optimization AI suggests optimal allocations based on risk tolerance, backtest strategies against historical data. 4th, smart screeners and alerts filters stocks by AI score, sector, risk level, sends alerts on AI detected opportunities. 5th, institutional grade AI models trained on 10 plus years of market data, continuously adapts to new trends. Who should use Dan Elfin? Long-term investors, AI-driven stock selection, swing traders, finds high potential stocks, portfolio managers, optimizes asset allocation, pricing and access. 1. Free plan, limited stock analysis. 2. Pro plan, approximately $29 per month, full AI scores, portfolio tools. 3. Enterprise, custom solutions for funds. Dan Elfin is one of the best AI stock picking tools for investors who want data-driven, machine learning-powered insights without needing deep technical analysis skills. Bonus, creative tools. 1. Leonardo.ai, AI-powered creative suite for stunning visuals. Leonardo.ai is a cutting-edge generative AI platform designed for artists, designers, and content creators. It specializes in high-quality image generation, AI art, and design tools, making it a strong competitor to Midjourney and Stable Diffusion. Key features of Leonardo.ai. 1. AI image generation, photorealistic and stylized art, creates images from text prompts, e.g. cyberpunk cityscape, neon lights, 4K. Multiple AI models choose from fine-tuned styles like Leonardo Diffusion, RPG 4.0, 3D animation. High resolution, supports up to 2048 by 2048 pixel outputs. 2. AI canvas, image-to-image and outpainting. Edit and expand images. Modify existing images using AI. Change backgrounds, extend scenes. Control net-like features, adjust poses, compositions, and details. 3. Texture and 3D model generation, AI-generated textures. For game design, 3D artists. 3D object stylization, apply AI-generated textures to models. 4. Custom AI model training. Train your own LoRa Dream Booth models, fine-tune AI for your unique style. 5. Asset library and community showcase. Browse and remix community-generated images. Pre-trained styles for quick inspiration. Who should use Leonardo.ai? Digital artists, quick concept art, illustrations, game developers, textures, character designs, marketing teams, ad visuals, social media content, 3D designers, AI-assisted 3D asset creation. Limitations, credit system, free users have limited daily tokens, no video generation yet, unlike Runway ML. Learning curve, advanced features require experimentation. 2. 11 Labs, AI-powered voice generation and text-to-speech, TTS. 11 Labs is a leading AI voice synthesis platform that creates ultra-realistic human-like speech from text. It's widely used for voiceovers, audiobooks, gaming, and AI assistants. Key features of 11 Labs. 1. Hyper-realistic AI voices. Natural-sounding speech uses deep learning for human-like intonation and emotion. Multi-language support, English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Polish, and more. Voice cloning, create a custom AI voice from a sample, requires consent. 2. Advanced voice customization. Voice settings, adjust stability, clarity, and emotion. Pronunciation control, fine-tune how words are spoken. 3. Text-to-speech, TTS, and speech-to-speech, STS. Instant TTS, convert text into speech in seconds. Voice conversion, STS, modify an existing recording into another voice. 4th, AI dubbing and localization, auto-translate and redub videos while preserving the original speaker's tone. 5. API for developers, integrate 11 Labs voices into apps, games, or chatbots. Who should use 11 Labs? Content creators, YouTube narrations, podcasts, game developers, dynamic character voices, audiobook publishers, AI narrated books, AI chatbot developers, more natural responses, pricing and access, free plan, 10,000 characters per month, approximately 10-minute speech, starter, $5 per month, 30,000 characters plus one custom voice, pro, $22 per month, 100,000 characters plus 10 custom voices, enterprise, custom solutions for studios, limitations, free tier is limited, commercial use requires a paid plan, ethical concerns, voice cloning requires consent, no real-time voice changing, unlike VoiceMod. Final verdict, 11 Labs is the best AI voice generator for natural expressive speech, ideal for professional voiceovers, gaming, and AI applications. Why these over others? Free in 2025, all have robust free tiers, verified as of beta tests, wealth building focus, chosen specifically for ROI, not just cool tech, beginner friendly, no coding needed. Pro tip, in your video, emphasize, these tools are free now, but will likely monetize. Early adopters will have lifetime advantages. These tools are free today, but won't stay that way. The early adopters, they'll be the millionaires. The rest, still researching. Smash subscribe. If you're loving these game-changing AI tools, don't forget to smash that like button. It helps more builders like you discover CodeCue. Got a favorite tool or a request? Drop a comment below. We read every single one. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe plus bell icon so you never miss a future drop. Let's grow this community together. Your support fuels the next big tutorial.